Hi, this is Veronica from Email Octopus, and today I will show you how you can clean your list using our segmentation feature. First, you need to identify your inactive contacts. To do it, you will need to create a segment of contacts who haven't opened any of your recent campaigns. To start, pick a list you would like to clean. Then go to Segments and create a segment. Pick Campaign Activity here. Did not open as the operator, and choose your filter. I would recommend all of the last 5 campaigns. If you recently added new contacts to your list, add another filter based on date. This way you ensure you don't accidentally suppress new subscribers. Save the segment as inactive contacts, and you can start setting up a re-engagement campaign. Go to Campaigns tab and create a new campaign. Make sure to pick the segment you've just created, as you will only be targeting your inactive contacts. This will be the last chance campaign, so you give your inactive subscribers one last opportunity to remain on your list. If they interact with this campaign, they will stay on the list, but if they ignore it, you will unsubscribe them. We have a reconfirmation template you can use to reactivate your subscribers. You can find it in our templates. It has both the unsubscribe and confirm buttons hyperlinked, so you can just change the copy and adjust it to your liking. Once you're happy with the design, click Save and Next, and send your campaign. Now, we would recommend waiting a couple of days to give your contacts time to interact with your campaign. A couple of days later, you can go to your campaigns report, click on Activity, and view the Didn't Open report. Export it by clicking here. This is the list of contacts who haven't interacted with your campaign at all, so you can now unsubscribe them from your list. To do it, go back to your list and start a new import. Add the file you've just exported and pick the unsubscribed and update the contact options here. Then click Next and proceed with the import. And that's all, you've now successfully cleaned your list. All these contacts have now been unsubscribed from your list, and you won't be able to send to them again. Thanks for watching and happy emailing!